Hello guys, we present to you new updated stove Intent Fisher 2023. This model, unlike its predecessor, does have rectangular door, new lock, which allows you to press the door tightly against the oven, which excludes excess air. Improved oxygen supply adjustment. You can completely stop the burning of the furnace or adjust over the wide range. As before, stove has two folding convectors which increase speed of heating up with help of additional oxygen. Stove has folding legs, and at the bottom of the stove there is a convector which excludes heating up the surface where the stove stands. Complete with stove, there are 6 chimney segments, 4 straight and 2 bended. All of these segments fitted inside the furnace of the stove.